Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to another interesting session of the Astro Club. So as you know, the previous week we started the Scratch programming. Okay, and I've also uploaded it in the YouTube channel. If any of you have missed that video, I've already shared it in the group. You can watch it again. So in the last class, we learned only the basics, like how to create an account and how to do some basic stuff. So if you go to Scratch, like those who have already created an account, if you go to Scratch and you'll see something like this. So in the last class, as I've already told you, in order to create a new project, here we have this create button. Are you able to see it here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so click on that create so that another new window will appear. For those, I mean, if it's possible for you to turn on the video, you can just turn on the video so that I can get to know if you're doing it or not. Okay, if possible, you can turn on the video. Okay, so fine. So in the last class, like we discussed only the basic stuff like how to create an account and about the position of a sprite. Like I've discussed about the basic panels, like what are the panels called, different types of panels, and what is sprite, and how to change the background, how to add or delete a sprite, or how to change the position of a sprite. Do you all remember that? What we discussed in the previous class?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah. Okay. Like how to move a sprite. We discussed all of that. So today,
And how to change the sprite also, Akka.
yeah. So today we are going to do some more different things. We are going to learn some more different basics in Scratch. If you get these basics perfectly, then you can do some interesting projects in the further sessions. So now today now what we are going to do is we're going to like our goal, we're going to do two activities today. The first thing is to move a car around the screen. Okay, so first we need a car. So you know how to select a sprite, right? Click on this icon. I mean, or else you can, as I told you, you can click on this magnifying glass and search here car. All of you should do it because at the end I'll ask you to show so that you can show it. So click on, search for car and you will get something like this. So select this car, this one, the convertible, the violet color one. Select this. So now it will appear on your screen. Okay. Did you all do that? Did you select a car? Yeah. Now, what is our goal? So we need to first select the car as the sprite. So we've done that. So our goal is to move the car around the screen. Okay, so what is the first step I've told you? For any program to do here, we first need to choose this block. That is when flag is clicked. Because we are telling the code, like when we click flag, when we click this green flag, our program must begin. When we click on the green flag, our code should start. Okay. So that's why the first step is when flag is clicked. So first, let's experiment with moving this car around the screen. So first, let's select this, like go to random position. If we choose this block of code, that is go to random position, let's see what happens. So now let me click on the green flag. Yeah. See, it moved to some random position because we didn't specify where the car should move. Okay, we didn't give any direction or we didn't specify any position. So the car has moved to some random position. Again, here if you click the flag, it will move to some other position. See, it has moved to some other position. Again, if you click some other position. So it's moving to random positions. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Did you all do it? Did you get it? Did you get the output?
Akka, 1 minute, please.
Yeah, so this is the way we can move it to some random position. Now, one important thing is we should understand the difference between go to and glide. So what is the difference between go to and glide? If we use go to, it directly, the sprite directly jumps to some position. See, we have already done this. I've used go to here and I've clicked on the flag. It is directly going to some position. But if we use the glide 1 second to random position. If we use the glide, we can see the car moving slowly. See, for example, here. I've used the glide 1 second to random position. And now I'm clicking on the green flag. See, we can see it moving. Did you understand the difference between go to and glide?
Yes, Akka.
If we use go to, directly the object will move to some position. But if we use glide, we can see it moving. Okay, slowly it will go. If we use glide, it will go slowly. But see here, if we use go to, directly it will jump. So that is the difference between go to and glide. So did you understand these two concepts?
Yes, Akka.
Okay. Now we are going to do another thing based on this. Our next goal is we have to change the position of the car whichever direction our mouse pointer moves. So we have the pointer here, right? Are you able to see the pointer, mouse pointer?
Yes.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, so whichever direction the mouse pointer moves, the car must also move to that position. Like that, we have to write the code. So first, when flag is clicked, see, we have to use the glide. Glide 2 seconds. Change the time from 1 second to 2 seconds. Glide 2 seconds to, we don't want random position. We want mouse pointer. So click on that mouse pointer. When flag is clicked, glide 2 seconds to mouse pointer. So now, let's see what it happens. See, where is my mouse pointer? My mouse pointer is here. Once again, let me show. My mouse pointer is here near this green flag. That means towards the left side top corner. Left side top corner. So now, when I click on the flag, my mouse pointer is there only. So the car is moving towards my mouse pointer. Did you observe?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah. But if I want to make my mouse pointer some other place, if I take the mouse pointer here or here, the car should move towards that place. But in this case, we just have 2 seconds time. That's why we are unable to change our mouse pointer to different places. Okay. It is always located at the same place. That is near the green flag. So every time the car is moving towards the green flag. So this is the problem here. So what can we do to overcome the problem? So we have to use one more thing here. When the flag is clicked, what should happen? It has to wait 1 second. So when it waits for 1 second, then we can change our mouse pointer to a different place. Then the car will move to that place. Did you understand the difference?
Yes. Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Earlier, what happened? Our mouse pointer is near the flag only. We are unable to change the position of mouse pointer. So the car is moving towards that left side only. It is not able to move to other positions. But if I use wait here, then I can change the position of my mouse pointer. Then the car will also change its position. Now see, when flag is clicked, wait 1 second and glide 2 seconds to mouse pointer. Now see what will happen. I clicked on the green flag. It has wait and now I change my mouse pointer. So it moved towards the mouse pointer. You can try with the different positions of mouse pointer. I clicked on the green flag. I kept my mouse pointer here. See, the car has moved towards that mouse pointer. Did you understand?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah. Did you all get the output?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Now next. Yeah, okay, fine, Vaishnavi. Good. Now next. Now what we're going to do is, now, yeah, so this is about how we can actually change the position of the car towards the mouse pointer. This is one aspect. Now the goal 2, the next goal, the next thing that we're going to work upon is, we're going to talk about the direction of the sprite. Okay, we're going to talk about the direction of the sprite. So for that purpose, delete all of this. Delete the sprite also and choose another sprite, that is broom. You have here broom, right? Select this broom. Now we are going to learn about the direction of the sprite. But before that, you have to understand the difference between position and direction. There is a lot of difference between position and direction. In order to change the position, we have to change the coordinates. Coordinates means like x coordinate and y coordinate. Do you all know what is x coordinate and y coordinate?
Yes, Akka.
In order to change the position, we have to change the coordinates. But if we want to change the direction, we have to change the angle. Remember, position is related to coordinates and direction is related to angle. Yeah. So now let's see. This is a broom which is in this position. Now we want to change the direction of this broom. So see, here you have the direction panel here, the direction block.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, if so, something like a clock appears here. All of you know that what is the total angle in a circle? Do you all know?
360 degrees.
360 degrees.
Yeah, good. Total angle in circle is 360. So all of this whole thing is 360. And half is 180.
180
degree.
And the quarter is?
90 degree.
90
Yeah.
degrees.
Okay, good. You know this. Now we can easily do this. See. Now something like this appears. So if you click on this arrow mark and if you change it, so you can see the direction is changing. The angle is changing.
Yes, Akka.
This is 180 degrees. Okay. This is
90.
90. This is 0 degrees. If you move in clockwise direction, that is, if you move in right side, it is positive value. If you move in left side, you are getting negative value.
-1.
Did you understand?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, this is about the direction of the sprite. Instead of rotating this arrow mark, you can type it here also. If you want 120 degrees, you can type 120. So the sprite will move with an angle of 120 degrees. Okay, you can change it to 100. You can experiment with different values. Did you understand?
Okay, Akka.
Now, so far, we are doing it manually. Like I'm changing the value or I'm rotating this arrow mark. I'm doing it manually. But now, we will write a code so that our program will change the direction of the sprite. Did you understand now what we are going to do?
Yes, Akka.
Program now, until now, we are doing that thing. But from now, our program will be able to do it. So what is the first step when flag is clicked? See, you have this one. First, you have to know what is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Like this, clockwise, and this is anti-clockwise. You know this, right?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah. Now, when flag is clicked, turn clockwise. This is clockwise symbol. Turn clockwise. You can choose any number, 90 degrees. Now I click on the flag and it has turned 90 degrees. Did you get it?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah. Now you can choose different values also. When flag is clicked, turn clockwise 180 degrees. Now click on the flag, it will turn 180 degrees. You can experiment with anti-clockwise block also. Choose the anti-clockwise block. When flag is clicked, turn anti-clockwise 15 degrees. Turn anti-clockwise 180 degrees. So like this, our code will be able to change the direction. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, so now let's combine different things what we have learned till now and let's do something with this. Now see carefully. Now the goal is when the flag is clicked, this broom should turn clockwise 90 degrees. It should wait for 1 second and then it should glide towards the mouse pointer. Did you get what we should do?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Yes, first, when flag is clicked, turn clockwise 90 degrees. Okay.
Akka,
Yes, Akka.
Next, what we should
Akka, you told that when flag is clicked off.
1 second. Wait for 1 second.
okay. So see, when flag is clicked, what we should do? We have to turn clockwise 90 degrees, and then we have
Wait
to
for 1
second, and then
glide.
glide to the mouse pointer. So see, we have this one, right? Glide 1 second to mouse pointer. Or you can keep glide 2 seconds to mouse pointer. This is the code. Did you understand?
Yes, Akka.
Doubt in this code?
No, Akka.
For anyone, any doubt?
No doubts.
Yeah, now let's see this. I'm clicking on the green flag. It has turned 90 degrees and it's moving to it. Wait 1 second and it's moving towards the mouse pointer. If you want, we can
Akka,
see. Click on the green flag. Turn 90 degrees. Move towards the mouse pointer. Yeah, Mahesh, tell me, what is your doubt?
Akka, it is going to the corners, Akka.
Yeah, because my mouse pointer is towards the corner, it has moved towards the corner. See, I will change the direction of mouse pointer. I'll keep it upwards. See, it is going upwards.
Oh, okay, Akka.
Wherever we keep our mouse pointer, it will go towards that place. So did you all get it?
Yes, Akka. Yes, Akka, I got it.
Yeah, good. Okay, so this is about like we have combined the direction and we have combined the gliding towards mouse pointer and we have done this simple thing. Okay, now delete all of this. Delete each thing. Delete the sprite also. Now we are going to do an interesting thing. That is, we want a cat to kick a ball. Did you get it? We want a cat to
Yes,
kick a ball. Now, so we need two sprites, that is cat and ball. So choose the cat and also select the ball. Okay. So the ball should be at the position, initially the ball should be at 0, 0. So change the x coordinate as 0 and y coordinate also 0. That means the ball is at the center of the screen. And keep this cat like in front of the ball and like this.
Akka, 1 minute.
Keep the cat somewhere here. Always remember, you need to write if when two objects are there, when more than one sprite is there, you have to write the code separately for both the sprites. So in order to understand which sprite you are writing the code for, you can see the sprite here. See, here cat is appearing. That means now you're going to write the code for cat. If you click on the ball here, then ball will appear here. That means you're going to write it for ball. Did you understand?
Yes, Akka.
Now, so what is our goal? We want our program to make the cat move near to the ball and it should kick the ball. So for that, what we should do?
First, we have to keep when clicked flag.
Yeah. So let's keep that. When flag is clicked. Now we are writing for cat. Okay, you have to change it from ball to cat. You have to change to cat when flag is clicked. So before writing the coordinates, first imagine the cat should go near to the ball like this. It should go near to the ball like this. So in this case, what are the coordinates you can see here? -46 and 26. Okay.
Yes, Akka.
So just remember -46 and 26. Initially, what are the coordinates?
-116 and 24.
-116 and 24. So the thing that we want our program to do is, every time we click on the green flag, the cat should go to the initial position and then it should move towards the ball and kick the ball. So what is the initial position? -116 and 24.
-116 and 24.
So when flag is clicked, first it should go to
-116
and 24. Okay. Then it should glide. Not this. It should glide 1 second to. So it should come here. -46 and 28. Glide 1 second to -46 and
28.
it should come near to the ball. So this is the code for cat. Did you understand how we should write the code for cat?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to write it for the ball. Again, same. When flag is clicked. So where should the ball be? What is the original position of the ball? 0, 0. What is the original position of the ball?
0.
0, 0. So when flag is clicked, what happens at first when we run the program? The cat will come near the ball and it will kick the ball. So kicking the ball means the ball will go to some different position. So again, if we want to run our program, the ball should come to the center again. So when flag is clicked, first it should come to the center, that is 0, 0. Then it should glide 1 second to anything you can keep, like 70, 70. In this, you can keep any values. There is nothing specific. You can use any values. I've used 70, 70. But after the cat comes near the ball, then the ball must change the position. So how much time it is taking here for the cat to come near the ball?
1 second.
Yeah,
1 second.
is taking. So until that 1 second, the ball should wait. So before moving the ball, it should wait. So you have to use the wait block here. Wait 1 second. After waiting for 1 second, then the ball should move. Did you get it? First, the cat should come near the ball. For that, it will take 1 second. So that 1 second, the ball should wait. So after the cat comes near the ball, then the ball should change the position. Did you understand? Yeah.
Excuse me. Like, I didn't understand the code of the cat sprite. Actually, at that time, there was some issue of net.
Yeah, I'll explain. When flag is clicked, initially, what is the position of the cat? Like when we kept it here earlier? -124. But where should the cat move? The cat should move near to the ball. Only then it can kick it, right?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, then what will be the coordinates? Minus 46 and 28.
Okay.
So every time we run the program, the cat should move to the initial position. So when flag is clicked, it should go to this position, minus 116 and 24. After going to that position, it should glide towards this position.
Yes, Akka, I got it.
Yeah. So now let's see. Let's run this code. If we click on the green flag, yeah, we've done it. Did you observe? Let me run it again. I'll click on the green flag. So the cat has come near the ball and it kicked the ball. So the ball changed the position. See. Got it?
Yes,
Thank you.
Akka.
Yes. Back.
Did it work for all of you? Show me. Did it work for all of you? Once show. Yeah. Yes, nice. What about others? If possible, just turn on the video and show.
I can't turn on the video. I don't know why it is not turning on.
Okay. What about others? Is it possible for you to show what you've done? Okay, no problem. So did you all get it at least?
Yes, Akka.
Can you see?
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Yes, good. So finally, you made a cat to kick a ball. See, the cat has come near the ball and kicked the ball. Is it interesting?
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, so this is how you should create your own things. Okay, so these are all the basics. And in the next session, we have one more concept. We learn that. And after that, we'll be working on different projects. Like we have still so many activities to do as a part of the Scratch. So I hope you understood the basics, like how to change the position or how to like glide the sprite and how to do some simple things. Did you all get it?
Yes, Akka.
Okay.
yes, Akka.
Yeah. So, okay, then fine. That's all for today, actually. So, all these basic things like we worked on the car, how to change the position of the car towards the mouse pointer and all. And then we worked on the broom, how to change the position of the broom, like the direction based on the angle and all. And then we worked on the simple thing, like simple game like thing, how to make a cat to kick a ball. Okay, so these are the three concepts that I wanted to cover in today's session. So I hope it's clear. Did you all understand it properly?
Akka, can you explain once
Yes,
ball, Akka?
Can you explain what?
Ball.
Ball. Yeah, when the flag is clicked, what is the initial position of the ball? 0, 0. When the
Yes, sir.
flag is clicked, it should go to 0, 0. Then the ball should wait until the cat comes near the ball. So how much time is it taking for the cat to come near the ball? 1 second.
1 second.
So the ball should wait for 1 second. Then it should glide to some position. Like I took 70, 70. You can take any other value. So that is the code of the ball. Did you understand it now?
Yes, Akka.
Yes, Akka.
Yeah, okay, fine. So these are the three topics I wanted to cover in today's session. We'll learn some more interesting things in the next session. Okay. Okay, so thank you for joining. That's all for now. We can leave.